Escondido, a man is behind bars for allegedly stealing police gear from an officer in San Diego. 30-year-old Thomas Van was arrested on 9th Avenue and Center City Parkway yesterday after police found him passed out inside a car. Police say he was wearing a ballistic vest with loaded rifle magazines, ammo, and drugs. Officials say he may have been under the influence. Officers were able to wake him up and then take him into custody. Police have not said exactly how he stole that police gear. Van now faces numerous charges.